Do you feel embarrassed when you don't know how to request your friends in Japanese? This video has a solution for you. Hey guys, welcome to lesson number 7 of Japanese grammar. We are moving from basics to advanced Japanese, and I am sure you will absorb all the concepts with me like a pro. In today's lecture, we will learn about making requests to do something or not. With this, there are many other essential yet fun things to learn. Just watch the video till the end to not miss any of it. Now, let's get started with lesson number 7. 1. How to request someone to do something. Making requests in any language requires you to be formal and respectful towards others. We use the words please in English to signify a request, but how do we do it in Japanese? Let's learn about it. Formation. V, te form, kudasai, meaning please do. Use this form to request someone to do something. Remember that this form is only used when the sentence is positive. We will use a different form when speaking a negative sentence. Let's have a look at some examples. This room is very dark. Please turn on the light.
この部屋はとても暗いです。電気をつけてください。この部屋はとても暗いです。電気をつけてください。
Please come by train.
電車で来てください。電車で来てください。あの山を見てください。あの山を見てください。お金を貸してください。お金を貸してください。いつでもうちに来てください。いつでもうちに来てください。
Another thing I must say here is that never use such sentences in front of your bosses or owners of your companies, as it may sound like an order to them, or they may not find it pleasant. And don't forget to check out how to change verb to te form. 2. How to request someone not to do something. Negative form of a request. What we just learned in the first lesson is precisely the opposite. When you request somebody not to do something, it falls into a negative request category. Let's learn how to do it in Japanese. Formation. V, nai form, de kudasai, meaning please don't do. This pattern is used to ask people not to do something. Let's have a look at examples. Please don't use your cell phone inside the hospital.
病院で携帯電話を使わないでください。病院で携帯電話を使わないでください。
Please don't close the window.
窓を閉めないでください。窓を閉めないでください。
Also, there are many cases in V, nai form, de kudasai in which the particle wa is used. 3. How to order someone not to do something politely. It is basically the type of grammar in which we have to forbid someone from doing something that they are not supposed to do in the first place. Look at the formation. Formation, V, nai form, kutemoi desu, meaning one does not have to. This represents an action that does not have to be done. In English, it means one does not have to. For example,
窓を閉めなくてもいいです。窓を閉めなくてもいいです。部屋を掃除しなくてもいいです。部屋を掃除しなくてもいいです。私は来週仕事をしなくてもいいです。私は来週仕事をしなくてもいいです。明日学校へ行かなくてもいいです。明日 学校へ行かなくてもいいです。
4. Doing something without doing the other thing. We often speak sentences like, I eat fruit salad without pineapple, or cuddle with my pets without hurting them. Did you notice what's expected in such sentences? I am doing something without doing the other things. Now, do you know how to speak such sentences in Japanese? Let's learn about the formation. Formation, to do, be without doing a. V, nai form, de, v. Let's take an example. I always drink coffee without putting any sugar in it.
コーヒーにはいつも砂糖を入れないで飲みます。コーヒーにはいつも砂糖を入れないで飲みます。
Let's have a look at one more example. Mr. Sato didn't eat dinner and slept.
佐藤さんは晩ご飯を食べないで寝ました。佐藤さんは晩ご飯を食べないで寝ました。何も言わないで出て行きました。何も言わないで出て行きました。昨日はお風呂に入らないで寝ました。昨日はお風呂に入らないで寝ました。子供は何も食べないで家を出ました。子供は何も食べないで家を出ました。
Be careful about nai form and don't forget to check out how to create the nai form in the download section. Particle, de. This particle is used to express an individual or a group of people in a particular action. Formation, it is another usage of the particle de. Subject plus de plus verb. A subject is a person who performs an action. V is the action, and the particle de is to signify individuality or group in the sentence. Let's understand this by examples. I will go to the hospital alone.
一人で病院へ行きます。一人で病院へ行きます。
Let's go eat lunch together.
二人で昼ご飯を一緒に食べに行きましょう。二人で昼ご飯を一緒に食べに行きましょう。
Before the particle de, a counter suffix that expresses the one who performs the action is sometimes included. How to speak only in Japanese. I guess the word only is one of the most used in English. Our sentences look incomplete without only sometimes. Now let's talk about how to speak it in Japanese. Formation, en, dake, only. Dake is put after the noun. It represents a meaning of limitation. In English, it means only. Let's take some examples. My little sister eats only bread.
妹はパンだけ食べます。妹はパンだけ食べます。
I study Japanese only on Mondays.
日本語を勉強するのは月曜日だけです。日本語を勉強するのは月曜日だけです。日本語だけで会話しましょう。日本語だけで会話しましょう。私だけ本を読むのが好きです。私だけ本を読むのが好きです。
Just remember that the particle dake is put after the noun. So guys, that's it for today's lecture. Let me congratulate you on your most significant success. You have learned half of the Japanese grammar, and I am literally happy for you. Make sure to revise previous lessons from time to time, so you never forget what you learned. Or in case you are new to the channel, please go and check out previous lessons to master the Japanese language. Subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hit the bell icon to never miss any update. Please do your homework and submit it timely. Ask your queries in the comments section below. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.